Yeah.
I'm awake now. Alex, come on, let's go.
Go, go. It's deadly worse.
This is awesome. We are out here on Evans Creek. Not really sure exactly where we are, except that we're in between the 202 and Sahali. Sahali Road comes down this hill right here. Boom, like that. And we're gonna meet it hopefully in probably around an hour or so. And it's probably only like half a mile away, so that just tells you we're going pretty slow. Half a mile an hour, about. Yep. And I think it's gonna rain soon too, so that's gonna be a treat. But yeah. Yep, I'm coming. Trying to make a video. It's kind of hard without a mouth. No, I'm not putting that in my mouth. Having a blast. Yoo-hoo! We're almost there.